All right, guys, it's afternoon. I just rode back in the office and we're gonna take off again. Got a little warranty job we're gonna go try to knock out real quick. Not for sure what happened. The retaining wall we built a while back, we had a big rain and it settled or leaning or something, I don't know. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, if you guys remember this job a while back, this is the retaining wall we built. And here's what happened. Like this, I don't know, we probably built this a month and a half, 2 months ago. And like the day after or 2 days after, we had a huge rainstorm. And a combination of water washing down the backside and me not doing a very good job of tamping. These couple, I'm gonna fall down this hole here, watch out, guys. These blocks here, this 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks here, are kind of sitting out in the middle of no man's land. So, as you can see, they settled. And when they settled, they put a little bit of pressure on this wall. Wall's still perfectly straight, but it's tilted out maybe an inch or so. So we're gonna take track hoe, pick those 4 blocks up, and then get this wall. Hopefully it goes back on its own. If not, we'll take track hoe and encourage it to go back on its own, and then kind of get it shimmed to where it'll stay there permanently. And we're not back for a 3rd time, but I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a little better view right there, how it settled right there at the end. So anyways, let's get unloaded, get this party started. You're not looking for a job by chance, are you?
Nope. How much does it pay?
You're pretty good with that shovel. It come back, but I don't think it come back all the way. It's close.
It did down there. It laid back down.
Oh yeah, down there at the end it did. It still might need just a little bit right there in the middle. We got them few blocks out there, and it went probably 3/4 of the way back. These blocks ain't poured the same. When they do the forms, they're a little bit uneven. So sometimes you just gotta shim them with some rebar, because you'll stack them up plumb. As soon as they get pressure on them, they'll flop one way or the other, take the wiggle room out of them. So, anyways, get a little rock in there, get that built back up, get the wall pushed back. Be good to go. All right, guys, this ended up being a major fail, but I left it in here just so you guys can kind of see what happened and what was going on. But basically, I tried to push this wall back, and I can't get far enough away from it. There's a ditch right behind me. I can't get far enough away from it to really get any good leverage on it. And I was way too close to the chrome on my bucket rod cylinder for comfort. So we quickly abandoned this method. And basically, as you'll see here in a little bit, I kind of went up on the other side and I set up on some blocks to where I can reach over the wall and pull it back towards me, where I got a lot more leverage and a lot more control. So, like I said, it was a good thought, but we quickly abandoned ship. Yeah, here I'm going to try the thumb because I'm worried about my bucket cylinder. And same deal. I'm too close to the wall. I can't get any leverage on it to do any good. So, good thought. It went absolutely nowhere. All right, that plan was a miserable fail. I can't get back far enough to where I got enough leverage to push on that wall. So Erick's gonna move his tractor. I'm gonna come up on top where I can reach over, where I got leverage in my favor, and try that route. So yeah, see if that works. All right, so basically I got it set up here on top, and I'm kind of reaching over the wall. It's still a little goofy because I'm not squared up to the wall, but I'm at least able to get enough leverage to where I can pull it back, and then Erick's basically finding some rocks or some rebar or whatever he can to kind of shove in the cracks just to hold it back in place. We had to pull this thing back like maybe an inch in the worst spot, but one thing I never explained real well in any of these videos is the finished product. This thing is actually going to have an 8-inch concrete cap poured on top of it, with rebar holding everything together. Then back where I'm sitting there's actually some dead mans we buried a long time ago when we did that. They were short wall. They're actually going, then this wall will be tied back into those dead man. So before this wall ever gets backfilled, it's going to get stabilized. We're just trying to get it straight so we can pour that concrete cap on top and tie everything together. And then we'll also tie that cap back into the dead mans. And once all that's done, it'll get backfilled. So hopefully that makes a little bit more sense. Me and Erick are having a little brainstorm here about whether this one block's worth pulling back a 1/4 inch or not, but we're so close to having this thing perfect. We went ahead and, even though my camera stopped recording, I was having problems with my SD card this day, but we ended up going ahead and pulling it back that last little 1/4 inch, and we got the wall. It was pretty spot on. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm just trying to kind of give you a little explanation of the thought process of what was going through our heads while we were working on this. so we got the wall straightened up. We got some rock in there to level it up. We got that rock base that's probably a couple inches high. And what we're gonna do is set this base cube back in there. And then I'll take the, hopefully it's gonna be high, and I'll take the track hoe. Got my thing cooking there the wrong way. Take track hoe and tamp it down. Hopefully that'll compact it and get it to stay where it needs to stay. Oh, come on, you stinking truck. The chain ain't long enough to swing these blocks around the other way. Come on. You gotta get them hooked the right way so they'll swing. There we go. I'm stuck on the air block. Come on. We'll operate you, little booger. Down in here. It's going.
This is not flush, Michael.
Let's set that 4-footer on there and see how it sets.
Okay.
And of course, got it hooked the wrong dang way. I gotta get me a different chain. Got to give me a different chain. Looks pretty darn good from up here. It's come to me?
Not much.
Like it? Alrighty, clear 4-footer. I've hooked every one the wrong way. You think I'd get lucky and get one right? There you go. The whole thing? To me?
To you. Probably about a half inch.
like I'm operating a precision piece of equipment. I got 3 inches of slop in the boom. It moved about a 1/2 inch. Like it? Probably not. I can't even reach it.
No, you can't. How it goes?
I think so. Hey, at least we've consistently got them all wrong. All right, Christmas list. What would you do? That's right, that's right.
Okay, well,
There she goes. Put new chain on my Christmas list. I need a swivel hook on there, like with a bearing in it, like a crane hook. That way it don't matter how you grab them. You can get them to turn around one way or another. Ooh, that actually fit in there pretty nice. That looks good. All right, mission accomplished. Wall is straight. Blocks are back in place. Customer's happy, right?
Customers just tickled to death.
So, I got Works a Lot calling me. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright guys, sorry, my last little video clip got interrupted by a phone call there from Mr. Works a Lot, but that went pretty smooth. It took, I don't know, I've been here for like 3 hours, but I've been talking for 2 hours of it, so it probably took us an actual hour to get it fixed. It wasn't that big a deal. Got that rock in there, got that one block set back, got it pushed back, yada yada yada. It's all good. So I hope you guys enjoyed a short little video there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on the next one.